Hey guys, David here. First of all, I hope you're having an awesome day. So you're here because you want to know whether or not you can make money online or not. Well, the answer is definitely yes. And there's a lot of cool ways to do it. You can be an affiliate marketer for a company and promote their products, which is an awesome way to do it. Maybe you want to teach people your passion. Maybe you have a passion for something you think, well, this would be great. There's so many different ways. But what if there was a blueprint, guys? Something that shows you exactly how to build your business step by step. Okay, now would that be interesting to you? Okay, because if it is, then I've got that for you. Okay, and it's really, really simple to get. All you need to do is just comment ready down below, and I'll send you this blueprint. Or you can go to the link in my bio and you can click it on it there and check it out. Now, it doesn't cost you anything, guys. So you got nothing to lose and everything to gain. You know, I hear the question many times, what if it's not for me? Okay, it's not for you guys, then unsubscribe afterwards. No problem. But what if it is for you? What if this is that one thing that changes your life and makes 2025 your year? You got nothing to lose and everything to gain with this, guys. So go ahead, comment below or click the link in my bio, and I'll see you guys on the inside. I hope you have an awesome day. Take care.